Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Shopee. At ang sender natin ay si CPC Hardware.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So i-unbox natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Oh my God! Wow!
Flash Express yung ano guys. Yung plastic na Flash Express. Bali guys, ito yung order ko guys, yung terminal na mayroong silicone. May gasket siya guys. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.